To use Discover Cashback on Amazon, you need to link your Discover card to your Amazon account. Start by logging into your Amazon account and navigating to the Amazon Cashback section. Click on the Add a New Credit Card button and select Discover as your card type. Enter your Discover card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Verify the information and confirm that you want to add the card to your Amazon account. Once your Discover card is linked, you can start earning cashback on eligible purchases. Make sure to select your Discover card as the payment method at checkout to earn cashback. You can earn up to 5% cashback on various categories throughout the year, and 1% cashback on all other purchases. To ensure you are earning cashback, check the Discover Cashback calendar to see which categories are eligible for the 5% cashback bonus. You can also set up notifications to remind you when new categories are added or when the cashback bonus is about to expire. When shopping on Amazon, use the Amazon Assistant browser extension to help you find eligible cashback items. The extension will notify you when you are browsing an eligible item and remind you to use your Discover card to earn cashback. To track your cashback earnings, log into your Discover account and navigate to the Rewards section. You can view your cashback balance and see which purchases have earned cashback. You can also redeem your cashback for statement credits, direct deposits, or gift cards. By following these steps and using your Discover card on Amazon, you can earn significant cashback rewards on your purchases. Always review the terms and conditions of the Discover Cashback program to ensure you understand the eligibility criteria and any limitations that may apply.